Chase Freedom Cards offer referral bonuses to existing cardholders who refer new applicants. A referral bonus code is a unique alphanumeric code generated by a Chase Freedom card holder. This code acts as a promo code during the new applicant's application process, potentially rewarding both the referrer and the referee. Referral codes are typically one-time use, but can be regenerated. As of November 2025, Chase's referral bonus programs remain active across most Freedom Card variants, with no major disruptions reported. Keep in mind that approval for the new applicant is not guaranteed. It's based on creditworthiness. To find your referral code, the primary method is to log into the Chase mobile app. Navigate to the credit cards section, select your Freedom Card, and tap Refer a Friend to generate and share the code. Alternatively, you can find it on the Chase website at chase.com under Account Management or through automated emails or texts from Chase. To use the code, the referrer shares it with a potential applicant, and the referee applies online at chase.com or via the app, entering the code in the promo code field during the application. Upon approval, the referee receives the card and begins earning the bonus by meeting spend and payment milestones. Bonuses are tracked in the app or dashboard, and notifications alert users when earned.